Hello everyone, in this particular video we're going to talk about how you can mass update records inside of Vryno CRM. So in order to start with your mass update, you need to first know where you want to mass update your records. Let's suppose you want to mass update records inside of leads module. Simply navigate to the leads module. Over here you would see these three dots on the right hand side. You just have to click on that. After that you need to access mass update. Next up, you need to specify the criteria on the basis of which you will be filtering out records. So let's suppose I want to update all the records that have lead source as LinkedIn, right? I'm quickly going to click on search. Now it's going to show me all the records that have their lead sources LinkedIn. Now let's suppose I want to select all of them and I want to mass update them. I want to change their lead status to, let's say, no requirement. You just have to change, whatever change you want to make to those fields, just edit that field. This is where you will see all the fields of the leads module. You can make any changes to any of these fields, right? So I've changed the lead status to no requirement. Another use case could be you want to change the owner. So you can change the owner as well to someone else, of course. And then let's say I want to keep them at low priority. So I made these three changes. Now once you're done, you just have to click on update. It will update all the records. And the most updated records will be seen up top. Let me switch to the list view. There you go. I can switch it to the all fields view and see whether the changes that I wanted to make have been made or not. I can see those lead statuses have been changed to no requirement. We'll take up another case where we will take into consideration multiple conditions. So let's go to mass update again. Let's say now I want to update fields or records that basically are assigned to me and have the lead sources, let's say Facebook. So what I'll do is first I'll choose the lead source field out of the options. Next I'm going to choose the lead sources field. Now, I also need to add a second condition to this. I just have to click on operator, choose the relationship between these two conditions, the second condition, the first condition, right? I'm going to choose AND. I'm going to click on this plus sign that appears in front of me. Now, I need to choose the second condition. I need to set up the second condition, which is going to be, of course, the owner. I choose is, and then choose myself as the owner. Then I'm gonna hit search. There you go. All the filtered out results are in front of you. You can be selective about what all records you want to update, or if you want to update all the records, you can simply click on select all. Click on mass update. Now let's say I want to change their lead statuses to, let's say, lost to competitor, and I want to set the priority as low. Now once I'm done making all the changes, let's quickly click on mass update, and there you go. All those records have been updated. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay